Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Rancho Minerva Middle School, home of the Mighty Bulls in Vista, California, and part of the Vista Unified School District. Here for my third visit this school year to speak to grades 6, 7, and 8, the AM, PM students, the after-school program, on a very important topic, one that's always close to my heart, and that's diversity. That's our differences both on the outside and on the inside, but we have to appreciate and fully value those that are around us, right? And including our own diversity, right? There's a lot of students that have come up to me and said, Mr. Peace, when I look in the mirror, I don't think I'm beautiful, and I don't really, really value my differences, right? I don't really like the reflection that I see. And it breaks my heart hearing that, but a lot of times they believe other people's opinions about them, but not every opinion matters, right? What matters is that we can show that self-kindness first and foremost, and then be able to show that to others as well. So that's why I wear this shirt for this particular assembly. It says, need human kindness, the peace sign in the heart where peace has to begin. But there's also two people, right? Because again, kindness isn't just about showing it to us, it's showing it to others as well. And it's so important we do this because if you show that kind act or do a kind deed towards someone else or a group of people, it may not just touch their hearts. It could be anybody else that sees that kind action or hears that kind word, right? It might also affect their heart in a positive way forever. So we have to be all in, showing this kindness. This world needs a lot more of it, and always showing this unconditional love, right? A big message and theme that I push in this particular program, and that's love without any conditions, right? That if somebody's taller than us, shorter, wider, skinnier, different skin color, if they wear different clothes, speak a different language, whatever it is, we can look at those as opportunities to unite us versus separate us, right? And look, if we were all the same, this world would be very boring. But the fact that we're all unique and beautiful in our own way, we can grow from that, right? If we choose to embrace others' differences, right? People from different walks of life. That's where our true education really comes in. Of course, we learn a lot in school, in the books, the formulas that we learn, all those stories that we read. But the bigger knowledge, that we can gain is from the people around us, right? Getting to know their stories and trying to walk in their shoes, right? And that's where the empathy piece, the compassion piece, the acceptance piece, the inclusion piece, all of that comes into play. And, for all of us, this has to start in our hearts. And once we believe this, we also have to believe this too. And this is part of all my programs, but I always talk about with the lines on our hand. We all have letter M. Trace one of mine here. That M stands for miracle, right? And for Mighty Bulls. Just kidding. But upside down, W for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And we really have to buy into that, right? Because there's a lot of people that have never been told that, have forgotten that, need a reminder. And we can be that light to their heart. I love this room where the after-school program meets, and they got different murals and mantras and posters and sayings all over the classroom. But this one here says, everyone is welcome here and everyone belongs. And it's true, but that's up to us, to start to show that kindness, and really step into that, right? And that's how we start making this planet a better place, is just one act of kindness at a time. So thanks for touching my heart. Have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you again next year. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button to see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.